If you're seeing the invalid token error on Discord, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get back into your account. This is a common issue, and it can usually be solved by re-logging in, clearing your cache, checking Discord service status, or updating the app. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, try the easiest fix, re-log in to Discord. Open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon. Scroll down and choose Log Out. Once you're signed out, open the Discord login screen again and enter your email and password carefully. Then click Login and check if the invalid token error is gone. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear your browser or app cache. If you're using Discord in a browser, click the three dots in your browser, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure cached images and files are selected. Then clear the data and restart Discord. If you're using the desktop app, you may need to clear the app cache from your system settings or reinstall the app if the cache issue continues. A damaged cache can often cause login token problems, so this step is very important. Next, check Discord status to see whether the problem is coming from Discord itself. Open Discord status in your browser and look at the service report. If the servers or login services are having issues, the error may not be on your side. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until the services are fully operational and then try again. Finally, make sure your Discord app is fully updated. Go to discord.com/download and download the latest version of Discord. Run the installer, let it finish updating, and then open Discord again. An outdated app can sometimes trigger authentication and token errors, so keeping it updated is a smart fix. After doing these steps, try logging in again and see if the issue is resolved. In most cases, one of these methods will fix the invalid token error and get Discord working normally again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.